Hi guys, and welcome back to another nail video. I have been asked so many times if I can do a fall inspired design. So since I got Jen's gift mail, she put quite a lot of fall colours in there, so I thought I'd just choose one or two out of there just to make the design that you all wanted. So I'll go through first the glitters that I'm using, then I'll show you the acrylic products. So this is the glitter I'm using of Jen's. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at all them colours in there. These are some more things that Jen gave to me, and they're like little diamond shapes. And this one's Sarah's glitter. I've been dying to use this one. I've just never had anything to go with the brown, and in this one she provides little Fimo slices as well. And then just for ease I've just put it in a little pot. Okay, so the NAIO products I'm using today, I'm using a different nail bed, one that came not so long ago, and it's called Nude and Naughty. I am loving this nail bed, it is beautiful. I'm using their Glam Gold, high speed acrylic liquid and clear. And also when I went to the beauty show with my mum, I picked up some of this. I can't remember where I got it from now, but it's just like netting, so I am using a little bit of that today. So I'm going to sculpt my nails again because I'm really enjoying sculpting the nails. So I'm just going to put this on and then I'm going to put the nail bed on. Get Jen's mix and pour it over 4 out of 5 of my nails. I'm going to get a combination of these and pour them on the 4 fingers, and I'm going to apply them by just picking up a ball of clear acrylic and dipping them in the pots. So now I'm going to encapsulate these nails in clear and then give the nails a little pinch when the clear is slightly tacky. So now I'm going to get the Glam Gold by NAIO and I'm going to put that over the entire nail bed and come down to number 3 on the nail form. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, now when this is dried, I'm just going to apply a little bit of acrylic over this part of the nail here, and then as it's like changing colour to sort of a matte colour, then I'm going to get this netting, pour it over, really press it into the nail and then pull it back off. Just a little hint, when you're doing this with netting, I always put the net into the clear powder just so the netting doesn't stick to the nail too much. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get Jen's mix again, put it on top of the pattern we've just made on top of the nail. So I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to file it off. Going to encapsulate this nail in clear. Okay, so when I file my nails with a nail file, I go in the living room, sit down so it's a bit more comfortable. And this is what happened in the living room. I was just filing these nails on the side and it popped off. Most people wouldn't show you this, they would just stick it back on. But this is proof that even though I've been doing nails for a long time, I mustn't have prepped my nail properly. I must have just not prepped the nail. That's the only thing I can come up with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some glue and just stick it on, and then I'm going to file because yeah, it's still in one piece so I can still use it. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll be back. Okay, now so I've filed my fingernail. You wouldn't know any different, but I do have to be careful with that one because obviously it's only glued on now. So now I'm going to get some of NAIO's Mega Gloss Gel Sealer, top coat my nails and cure on the LED lamp for about 30 seconds. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I was going to put a bit more bling on the nails, but I've been out and I got some really nice compliments, so I thought I'd leave them like this. I really hope you enjoyed this fall inspired nail design because I know a lot of you are asking me for them. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next. Bye!